Hi everyone, Mike McConville here again, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for String Tech Workstations. We have a couple more Gibsons in. This Songwriter that needs a bit of attention. Frets need to be dressed. Definitely compensated nut. He's having struggles with this thing buzzing and not staying in tune. So we're going to take care of that. So I have this custom shop ES335 that Jerry dropped off last week. He drove in from Whitby, I believe it was. Yeah, so we'll be putting a compensated nut on this one and doing that proverbial fret dress at the neck junction. And set this up for 11 to 49 strings at concert pitch. As always, we'll give you a step-by-step, play-by-play on both of these Gibsons and what we do to set these up. I'm doing these two Gibson compensated nuts in tandem. This 335 custom shop one, just kind of walking you through step by step. Of course, this one just came with the tusk style nut. This didn't need the same treatment as you typically do on a Les Paul or on that 335. That nut, I just heated it up and it came out fairly easily. Okay, I want to show you just how accurate you want to get. You want to run that initial slot dead center. So I've stopped, just kiss the paint line, because that nut, as you know, as you've seen in previous videos, it actually goes below the line of the paint. So now I'll pull those tongue depressors off and the tape off, and then I'll heat up a razor knife and score the nut on both sides before we actually remove it, so that we don't chip any paint off. Okay, you can see we got that out nice and clean, but here's what I want to see. That little flap of lacquer there? That is the lacquer that extends onto the bottom end of the nut, the black lacquer. So if you look closely, you can see there's that little flap of black lacquer that actually goes across the bottom of the nut. And this is why you have to heat it up and be very methodical about how you remove the nut on a Les Paul. In this case, it's a 335. If you look here, you see that slurry of crazy glue. There's no easy way to get these nuts out. We did get that out super clean, not a speck of wood, and now we'll go ahead and make our compensated nut. Okay, now that we've got the two compensated nut blanks cut, the one for the 335, one for the Songwriter, we're going to set those nuts aside, and we're set up now to do the fret dress. Both these guitars do need a fret dress. I've gone over both these guitars. There's a little bit of discrepancy at the neck junction on the 335. We've set those compensated nut blanks aside. We'll put those on after the fret dress is done and when we get on with the final setup. Now the Songwriter had a few different areas that were sort of in need of attention. Right now we need to address the fret issues, and it's all set up, masked off, as you can see, fully supported, neck and body. So we're going to do these two Gibson guitars in tandem and move both guitars along in lockstep. Okay, this 335 has been leveled and recrowned, and the frets are now ready for the next stage of finishing. All those high spots, we got them all. It's been leveled and recrowned and also ready for the next stage of fret finishing. We're done now with our final grade of abrasives. Now we'll move on to the buffer with the canvas strop and the compound. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, we've got the values roughed in and the spacing perfect for this Songwriter. And now we'll get on to the 335. Same deal. Stretch. And if you look at that compensated nut at a glance, it just looks like a standard nut. I know people are pretty touchy about that, especially with the Gibsons and Fenders and vintage guitars. So I spent quite a bit of time just sort of sculpting it and shaping it so that at a glance it just looks like a normal nut. Stay tuned, you can come back for the wrap up and you can hear both of these guitars.